Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Amani knot. That's the Swahili word for peace. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. As usual, just one tie for this video, as you can tell, obviously. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to put in a dimple here, bring it over to the center. Whatever dimple you want to use is fine. Come over here across the top. We're going to come up and over like this. Come up and over and down around like this, and we're going to come back up like this. Oh, by the way, any color works for this. Color doesn't matter. I just chose this color. So I'm going to come around here like this, and now what we're going to do, we're going to fold it in half. Come back to the opposite side. Come up and over like this. Then I'm going to open up this right here. This loop over here. Still folded in half. I'm going to do this right here, come back, fold it, still fold it in half, come back and up and over like that. Then I'm going to open this up, still fold it in half, and I'm just going to push this through here like this. Bring it down like this. And put my collar down. To see the picture of this, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials. You'll see the picture of it there. Now let's kind of open up like this, and there you have it. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video for the next word of the day. Peace and God bless.